understanding profitability margin. Hey viewers, Suhani here, representing Desvelado Advisory. Our mission to empower you with the knowledge you need for smarter investing. The magic of understanding profit margin. Hey there, future investors. Embarking on the investment journey can sometimes feel like navigating a moon. But worry not, I'm right here with you like a financial compass, pointing you towards informed decisions and brighter financial future. Let's chat about a key component of this journey, profit margins. Breaking down profit margins, imagine you're baking a cake. After adding all the ingredients and setting the oven, you expect a sweet reward. Investing is a bit like that. Before you put in your money, you need to know how much cake or profit a company is making. And the ingredient that reveals this, profit margin. Gross profit margin, GPM. This is the most basic type of profit margin. It reveals how well a company is producing goods. For instance, if a company makes shoes for ₹600 and sells them for ₹1,000, the GPM is 40%. It shows the company makes ₹400 on every shoe after considering the production cost. Second, operating profit margin, OPM. OPM gives you a closer look at a company's day-to-day operations. It excludes external factors like interest or taxes. A steadily rising OPM over the years, that's good news. Tips for your investment journey. First, trends are friends. Don't just look at a single year's margin. Trends over multiple years provide more insight. Second, compare wisely. Always compare profit margins with companies in the same sector. Third, beyond numbers. While profit margins are essential, also consider other factors like company leadership, industry growth, and market potential. Wrapping up. My dear budding investor, remember that every journey begins with a single step. In the world of investments, understanding profit margins is one of those fundamental steps. These numbers, simple as they might seem, can be the guiding stars in your investments universe.